Hi everyone, it's the end of Bhakti Fest. 4 days of a beautiful festival of community and living, loving, sharing. I taught Tantric Belly Dance here in the Sacred Women's Space most mornings. So we got to start the day with a deep, nourishing dive into the pleasure zone, the womb center, the second chakra. And it certainly makes people happy. It makes the women happy that dance with me, and it makes all the other people happy that they go and dance and hug with afterwards. I'm so grateful to this festival. It's really a special place. And my heart's really open, and there's a lot of sweet consciousness floating around today at the end. And I wanted to let you know that I have a series coming up in LA at the end of next week on Friday night, Friday the 11th of October. We're starting a 3-week series of Tantric Belly Dance workshops. So if you want to do a deep dive with me, I know a few of the ladies from the classes here are going to join us for a little bit of the Bhakti Fest Bhav and the goddess deep dive into your own body, into your own sense of who you are as a feminine person. Consider joining. I'll put some details below. Much love, all the way from Bhakti Fest to you.